I have a great passion for learning new things, which has led me to take classes year-round, with each class giving me a different skill set. It's important to me to be a well-rounded person, having different skills in different areas. This allows me to apply those different skills in areas where they may not have been thought of before, but they are useful. Some of the skills that as an example, some of the skills that I've been working on recently have been an Arduino board to help with our automatic watering system in our garden, and I plan on taking a crash course in Python over the summer when I don't have any classes available. I'm the kind of person that keeps the customer in mind. I believe that if we have a happy customer, you have a successful business. As well, I believe that honesty in whatever it is that you're doing is the best policy and the best way to be successful in life and in business.